Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to a bus that makes me feel like I've just stepped into a 1970s European road trip movie, minus the bell-bottoms and questionable hair choices. I'm talking about the 1972 Mercedes-Benz L408 bus with trailer, a machine that proves practicality and style can ride in the same lane. I believe this is one of those vehicles that doesn't just carry people, it carries stories, and maybe a few broken guitars from my neighbor's garage band. Now, the L408 belongs to the famous Mercedes T2 line, also called the Dusseldorf Transporter. This was the backbone of small businesses, schools, and tour groups across Europe for decades. It used a cab-over-engine design, which is a fancy way of saying the driver sat close enough to the windshield to high-five pedestrians. Under that short nose sat the OM 314 diesel, a 3.8-liter inline-4 with about 85 horsepower, 63 kilowatts, and 172 newton-meters, 127 pounds of torque. I think that's about as much grunt as two lawn tractors teamed up, but back then it got the job done. The power went to the rear wheels through a manual gearbox. And let me tell you, drivers of the time earned their biceps from wrangling that stick. What I like the most about this particular L408 is that it wasn't just a bus. It came with a matching trailer. That's right, you could haul 14 passengers inside the bus, plus all their luggage, camping gear, or my buddy Steve's accordion collection in the trailer. The trailer had three-sided access panels, which made it easier to load than helping Steve move apartments, something I still regret volunteering for. Step inside, and you're greeted by seating for 14, with padding thick enough to survive a few decades. Huge panoramic windows wrap around the cabin, and two skylights let you and your passengers bake in the sun or stargaze without lying in a field. Overhead racks gave people a spot for their bags, and trust me, in the 70s, that meant suitcases the size of refrigerators. This bus wasn't just left to rust. Between 2015 and 2020, it went through a full restoration. Every nut, bolt, and piece of trim was either replaced or rebuilt, because I believe finding spare parts for one of these is like asking your neighbor to return borrowed tools. It almost never happens. Now, let's talk about money. One of these fully restored L408 buses with trailer can fetch serious attention at auctions today. Prices vary, but I've seen examples sell in the $45,000 to $55,000 range, or $42,000 to $52,000. Honestly, for a rolling piece of history that doubles as a people mover and cargo hauler, I think that's not a bad deal compared to modern vans that cost more but come with fewer stories. In the end, I believe the Mercedes-Benz L408 isn't just transport, it's a time capsule with wheels. Whether you're touring the Alps, taking your band on a questionable tour of roadside pubs, or hauling your neighbors to a camping trip they didn't sign up for, this bus does it all with class.